Hi, my name is Monique Annan. I am from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I've had the opportunity to live in Ghana, West Africa, and North Carolina and New York City. I have been a social worker with the Department of Human Services as an energy assistance worker for the past 4 years. I am looking to do more. I've received my master's in adult education, and I think that I can do more service by aiding in programs with social work than I can with just a master's in adult education. Personally, I am divorced and I have three children. I'm a puppy parent. My 9 year old Waffles Lasso Opso. Um, how do I feel about starting online MSW? I am absolutely terrified, but I will make it through. I'm just new to this format, so I'm looking forward to learning and sharing and just really getting to know as much about this program as possible and seeing how other people navigate this field because I'm a novice, but it's what I want. So thank you.